Hi, and welcome to the Flextherm Thermostats and Controls training session. First of all, here's what we will be looking at. Installation rules reminder. Few slight differences between Canada and USA. Presentation and configuration of our thermostats. Presentation of our expansion units. We'll show you how to set up one of our FLK50 or FLP55 thermostats so that you can control an auxiliary heating system. Finally, we'll demonstrate how a FLR240 relay can be used in an installation exceeding 15 amps in which a concrete green cable or a concrete mat express is used. Let's start with the reminder for the rules of installation. Since 2015, in both Canada and the United States, the electrical code has adopted the use of a conduit approved for electrical cables that must be installed between the electrical box and the floor for passing the cold lead of the heating cable. In Canada, it is allowed to stop the conduit at 50 millimeters, 2 inches, from the wooden base plate. In the United States, the conduit must ensure a continued transition from the electrical box to the floor with either a continuous conduit or with the use of an elbow. Here are some precisions concerning the allowed conduits and their limitations. Electrical metallic tubing, EMT. A warning, because unless they are approved for this use, those conduits are usually not allowed in wet locations. Non-metallic electrical tubing. PVC rigid tubing. Warning, these conduits are not allowed to be covered with thermal insulation. Burrs must be removed and a nozzle or other equivalent protection must be installed at the ends of conduits to protect the cold lead. If it is necessary, a metal plate could be installed on the wooden base to protect the cold lead. Floor temperature sensor can't run inside the same conduit as the cold lead and can't be in the electrical box. The thermostat must be installed at a minimal distance of 1 meter, 3 feet 3 inches from a wet location. It is mandatory to identify the electrical circuit that feeds the heating floor. Hereby, the tag supplied with the thermostat must be affixed on the electrical panel. On this tag will be identified where the heating cable is installed, the electrical circuit number, and a reminder stating the floor shouldn't be drilled in that room.